So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. And in this video I'm going to talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this is the new camera in my arsenal. So this one is a small handy cam which is having built-in stabilization, basically a handheld stabilization, and it is a 3-axis stabilization, so it is really nice. And I'm going to do this vlog while visiting a new place at Hyderabad which is called as Dino World, and that is where we are heading up. And it's a amusement park which has full-scale dinosaurs. I think more than 20 plus dinosaurs, and these are all animatronics dinosaurs, so there's a movement in them with sound effects. So that's what you're going to check out in this vlog, as well as the camera review of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Sir, the tickets?
470.
470, okay. And kids ki pedawalki same ticket. Okay.
5 acres land park.
Okay.
ఇందులో మనకు డైనోసార్ అమ్యూజ్మెంట్ పార్క్ టైప్ లో ఉంటుంది. లగ్జరీస్ పార్క్ టైప్ లో.
ఓకే.
లైసెన్స్ డైనోసార్స్ లైఫ్ స్కిన్ తో ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
మన 5 feet నుండి 20 feet హైట్ వరకు ఉంటాయి.
ఓకే.
14 sets ఉంటాయి.
14
దాని మూవ్మెంట్ విత్ వాయిస్ తో ఉంటుంది.
ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి డైనోసార్స్?
14 sets.
14 sets. ఓకే.
కానీ మన 5 నుండి 20 feet హైట్ వరకు ఉంటుంది.
20 feet height.
మనకు లైవ్ స్కిన్ ఉంటుంది. లైవ్ స్కిన్ లైవ్ మూవ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
కిడ్స్ కోసం డైనోసార్ రైడింగ్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
2 types ఆఫ్ రైడింగ్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
సర్కిల్ లో ఉంటుంది, వాకింగ్ డైనోసార్.
ఓకే.
అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
పిల్లల కోసం 3 feet డెప్త్ స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
అది స్విమ్మింగ్ కాస్ట్ మీరు తెచ్చుకుంటే అది ఫ్రీ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
లేదనుకుంటే అక్కడ పర్చేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే.
ఆ కాస్ట్యూమ్ వల్ల రైనర్స్ కూడా ఫ్రీ ఇస్తాం.
ఓకే. ఓకే. ఎంత అండి ఇది? ఫుడ్ ఏమైనా ఉంటుంది లోపల అవైలబుల్?
క్యాంటీన్ ఉంటుంది.
క్యాంటీన్. ఓకే.
పర్చేస్ చేసుకుని తినవచ్చు.
ఓకే, సూపర్. అండ్ టైమింగ్ దిస్ ఇస్
11 to 6.
11 to 6. రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Photo. So as I said, the dinosaurs all are mechanized with background noise. So T-Rex and I think Mosasaurus or Jurassic Park Part 3. The dinosaur there, come here, come. See the small dinosaur, come here, Joyce. So kids activities, it's further extended with this obstacle course. So you have this obstacle course which is nicely laid out. So mostly all the ropeways and couple of tire obstacle courses. So in this attraction, I guess this is the tallest dinosaur. Yeah, and it is inclined towards that tree to give it a look that it is having those branches. Yeah, so one of the tallest dinosaurs over here. And this is the other side of the play area. So mostly all the ropeways and lot of obstacle courses. Yeah, and there's also I think a small zip line, so which we can check it out. There's a play area as well, and also there's a small swimming pool which is an outdoor swimming pool with some slides. And also there's a canteen, sit outs and dining area. So that was the Dino world for you, shot on the DJI Osmo Pocket. I hope you found the image clarity to be better, and also mainly the image stabilization of the camera. And certainly because it's a DJI, the product was really good, and in the Amazon sale I got it for roughly around 11,000 rupees, which is a steal. And DJI usually does this whenever there's a sale. After 2-3 years launch of the product, they slash the price almost to 50%, and I believe that is the moment where you can pick up cameras like this. It is a very nice handheld stabilized camera which can do 4K recording, and most of the shots which you have seen in this vlog was done from the camera itself. If there's any feedback, please let me know, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.